is still low, for example. That's in reality. They have minimum mastery of vocabulary. That is, we call it as reality.
Reality.
Yeah. So you just mentioned the expectation and the reality. That is what I mean by problem. Okay, that's number 2. Mention your problem. Number 3, mention your research question. Mention your research question. What question you will answer in this mini research? That is number 3. Number 4, you have to mention the theory you use in this proposal. The theory, yeah, you use in this proposal. Number 5, mention your research methodology. Only 5. Only 5. Not reading your proposal very long time. You need 10 to 15 minutes. You need 10 to 15 minutes to present your proposal. Remember, you start with the title. Second, you mention the problem, expectation, and reality. Number 3, you mention your research question. Number 4, mention your theory. Number 5, mention your research methodology. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Okay, you can start now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So, the title of our mini research proposal is Teaching Vocabulary Through English Song. What make I choose the title? My expectation through English song, the students can enjoy learning English, can make they like learning English, and then they will memorize some of or all of the vocabularies are consist in the song. But as we know that the reality, learning English special memorized vocabulary is boring for some students. Why? Because the technique used in teaching vocabulary is monotone. The student just memorize change of the verbs, the word related to noun, adjective, or adverb. But by my minister proposal, I hope that we as a teacher should find the technique or methodology in language teachings. Some of them is by using English song. Suartono stated that rhythm and authenticity of songs can be used for language learning because the rhythm and the tone bring joyful. And Ira notes that listening to the music have benefits on them, increasing the brain function of the students. It is related with learning English. English songs help students to facilitate them to improve their vocabulary. This learning strategy is expected make the students more active in English class, motivate and enjoy in learning English. The problems of the vocabulary must be solved because it can be difficulties for the students to continue to the next level or grade. Although also the students may have low motivation in learning English because they feel that learning English is so difficult. Furthermore, the students will have boredom in English class. So that's the background of the study. Next, we continue to the research question. I'm so sorry, Mr. Eddie, can you change my problems of the study or my research question with how does the teacher teach vocabulary through English song? How does the teacher Okay, thank you, Mr. Eddie. That's my research question. How does the teacher teach vocabulary through English songs? Next, we go to the review of the literature or of the theory. Okay. In here, first, I would like to explain what is vocabulary. According to expert, the first Muti Krida Laksana said that vocabulary is a component of language that maintains all of information about meaning and using word in language. And then Crescent and Terrell states in David Nunan book, the stages of vocabulary has been considerably in change. This has come about partly as a result of the development of communicative approach in language teaching. In other words, vocabulary has become one of the subject of the research in methodology of teaching till become as a result.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Don't read the theory. You just read the conclusion of the theory. For example,
Okay, sir.
You quote three theory. From the three theory, what are the similarity? The similarities should be put in your conclusion at the end of that theory. Oh.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So sorry,
Okay.
sir. Okay. From two expert, we can conclude that the students should master vocabulary, especially in learning foreign language, because to master a language is not easy if we mastering vocabulary. Next, Mr. Eddie. Mr. Eddie, next, please.
This one?
No, point two, the purpose of learning vocabulary. Okay, the second theory is about the purpose of learning vocabulary. Okay, from the two experts, Zainuri and Indonesian National Education Department, I can conclude that vocabulary understanding is very important as one means to understand the language of relationship with this context, both of Indonesian and English context. The students can communicate both verbally in writing to achieve the students' need in ability in mastery vocabulary. Next, Mr. Eddie. Point 3, the benefit of using the song. Okay, the next is the benefit of using the song. Okay, Farida and Nutella 2015 state that the benefit of using the song, there are 4 benefits. First, song will motivate the students, be more happy in learning English, and then by singing a song, the students become happy and easy to understanding the materials. Next, through the songs and learning activities that vary, the students more be interested and be more happy in understanding and teaching materials are be delivered. And last, the children are made happy, not bored, and interested in following learning process. Next, point 4. In here, the step used in learning using the song. Still in theory, Mr. Eddie. Still in theory part. Okay. In here, I also explain the steps used for the teacher in learning using English songs. Okay, there are seven steps. The first, of course, the teacher should prepare the song is appropriate to the material. In here, I choose the example, the song I Have a Dream that sing by Westlife. This song is appropriate to teach simple present tense. After that, the teacher prepare the lyric in piece, but there is a missing lyrics. And then the teacher will play the music 2 until 3 times. And then the student asks to fill the missing lyrics based on the song. Then the teacher and the students discuss to correct the answer of the missing lyrics. The next, delivering the material about simple present tense. And then giving the exercise and discussing together. Therefore, using music as instrument is very suggested in teaching learning, because using a song as an instrument can give many benefits. The last is research methodology. Next, Mr. Eddie, last part. Okay. In this mini research, I use classroom action research, or in Indonesia we know as PTK atau penelitian tindakan kelas. Okay. In here, based on chemist and make targets design, it content of 2 cycles. In each cycle consists planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. In here, I use qualitative and quantitative data. Why? Qualitative data were gained by analyzing the interview and observation result, and then quantitative were obtained from the students' vocabulary score of pre-test and post-test. Okay, the last, I also write the reference here. Okay, thank you. I think that's all for me, my mini research proposal. Thank
Okay, everybody.
Thank you.
Back to the moderator.
for the presentation. Thank you, Miss Mariana, for the presentation. We appreciate it, and we get a bit information from your proposal. For anyone who's ready to present your proposal, I invite you to bring up your proposal and show it to our lecturer, so we can also learn from that. Anyone who's ready, I invite you. Time is
We will start with the title. If you have suggestion or questions, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The title is about teaching vocabulary through English songs. So, the slide, please.
Sir Eddie, the slide, please.
we are still talking about the proposal, yes, sir.
Yeah. The title first.
Okay, sir. All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a little bit. Hello, test.
Yeah, we can hear you, Miss.
Oh, yeah.
You can.
If we see from the title, seems that it's like can it be called as like a quantitative title, sir? Because something like this is.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah, because here something like to implement the English songs.
Yeah.
So there is no something like the representative from the title cannot represent the content. I mean.
Yeah, you are right. From the title, this is an experimental study, not classroom action research. Why?
So,
You know
sir,
why?
from this, what is the suitable title, sir, for my research proposal? Or should I change it by improving students' vocabulary through English songs? So I can use the research method.
Are you intended to improve or to teach? Are you intended to improve or to teach? Mau meningkatkan atau mau mengajar? Hello, Mariana.
Yeah. Probably Mariana has a trouble with her signal, sir.
Oh yeah. So how can we answer this without Mariana? Is Mariana intended to improve or to teach? Hello, Mariana. Are you with us now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you intended to teach or to improve?
Actually, to improve, sir.
Nah. If you want to improve, you can use classroom action research.
Action research. Okay.
If you want to teach, you can use experimental study. Which one you would like to do?
according to my research methodology,
Nah,
so it should be changed, of course,
yeah,
by improving students' vocabulary through English song, not
yeah.
teaching
Improving
students'
the
vocabulary
student vocabulary
through English
through
song.
English song, right? That's the correct title.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Who suggests you just now?
Variety, sir.
Miss
Yeah,
Wariati, sir. Miss
Variety. Okay, thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Variety.
Thank you, Miss
Sir.
Wariati, for the
Thank
correction.
you, Variety.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
can I get
Yeah.
more something like a clear explanation to get the emphasis from the differences between two titles related to the research methodologies? I mean that
Hmm. Hmm.
when we put teaching means it belongs to another kinds of research, but when we want to classroom action research, we use improving.
Hmm.
What I understand so far that both of them are doing in teaching process.
Yeah. But what is the purpose of classroom action research?
We improve, sir.
What is
improve
the
students' ability.
purpose of classroom action research?
To improve the quality of teaching, sir, is it?
That's it. That's it. To improve. Meningkatkan. Anda nanti mengajar pakai siklus sampai meningkat. Kalau nggak meningkat, nggak berhenti.
Oh,
Siklus
Yes, sir.
siklus 1 Anda ajar pakai song. Ada nggak peningkatannya? Sudah mencapai KKM atau belum?
Yes, sir.
Kalau belum, ajar cycle 2. Sudah diajar cycle 2 meningkat atau belum? Belum juga. Ajar lagi cycle 3. Sampailah dia mencapai KKM. Ya. Minimum passing grade.
how many cycle is the minimum standards of doing the classroom action research?
It depends on as far as the process cannot achieve the minimum passing grade, then you have to continue. Sampai berapa cycle baru mencapai
KKM ya, sir.
minimum passing grade baru berhenti. Itu namanya meningkatkan. Kalau belum meningkat jangan berhenti.
Sampai nampak hasilnya, sir. Peningkatannya tadi.
Itulah tujuan dari classroom action research atau PTK itu. Jangan diberhentikan.
Yes,
Belum
sir.
meningkat diberhentikan. Nah, itu kesalahan besar itu, big mistake.
Excuse me.
Sir,
Ya.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
In my experience when I follow PPG in Unimed,
Yeah.
classroom action research can do in some circles, but
Yeah.
if for example we have done 5 circles, but the result is not satisfied, we can change our media How do you think about this?
So if you change your media,
Yes.
it means that yeah, you have a mistake in choosing
The
the first
title.
media. The first
Yes.
media, yeah, it means that you have mistake that that means that your theory
Mm-mm.
are not accepted.
So we cannot change our media in our title, sir?
What for you change your media? Because you have read the theory that this media
Maybe
is already effective in teaching vocabulary.
yes.
The
Yes,
problem
sir.
is not in the media. The problem is not in the media. Okay. The problem is in
Yes.
your classroom action research. The process of doing the classroom action research. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How if we change
So
our teaching strategy, maybe, sir?
Pardon? Pardon?
For example, Ma'am Maria using English song. If we change to the teaching strategy, how do you think?
English song is media. As far
Yes.
as this media theoretically, yeah, is possible to increase or to improve the vocabulary, it's okay. Don't change into strategy, don't change into media. Okay? But I suggest you to use, let's say, up-to-date media or up-to-date strategy.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Maksudnya begini, ada nggak media yang canggih saat ini, yang terbaru daripada song? Nah, itu yang penting dicari, browsing internet. Ada nggak yang lebih canggih dari song? Media. Media yang dipakai anak-anak hari ini, ada nggak yang lebih canggih dari song?
Halo, sir.
Ya, ya.
Me Ariningsi, sir.
Ya, ya. Oke.
I use digital storytelling, sir.
Ya. Digital storytelling.
Like maybe for the children, like maybe some picture of animal, and then animal can make the sound, and then the children tell it the vocabulary in English. That's the example of children maybe in playground, but in junior and high school have the different storytelling, sir. Digital.
Let's say, for example, digital English song.
But I have already. Sorry, sir. I want to ask. My title is about.
Wait a minute. Not your title. Not your
Okay.
title.
Okay,
Mariana title.
I'm sorry, sir. Okay.
Mariana is not finished yet. Nah. Yeah, if you have, for example, more up-to-date media, something like digital English song, now it is more up-to-date rather than only English song. Ya. Jadi judul Anda akan berbeda dengan judul yang sudah ada. Coba cari English song, pasti banyak itu. Kenapa nggak Anda cari yang lebih canggih, misalnya digital English song, apalagi yang lebih canggih dari digital misalnya. Tetap Anda menggunakan English song, tetapi harus berbeda dengan orang lain. Sehingga bobot kualitas judul you ini akan semakin up to date. Kalau ini up to date, maka kecenderungannya nanti akan bisa dipublish di jurnal internasional. Tapi kalau samanya, misalnya banyak jurnal English song, misalnya, nggak ada sesuatu yang baru dan up to date, maka mereka publisher karena ini sudah banyak, misalnya, mereka cenderung tidak menerimanya. Tapi kalau ada kata digital, ada kita digital English song, this is something new. This is something new. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Mariana? Do you understand, Mariana?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yeah. So, yeah, improving the students with improving the students vocabulary through digital English song is something new rather than English song only. Nah? Okay. Right. Let's go to
Mariana title, sir.
Yeah.
One thing, sir. With the title, do we need to write subject the research with the object, like in the classroom or in elementary students, or is that okay? Just write the title without mentioning or without writing the subject of the research, sir.
Yeah, you just mention it inside of your proposal.
All right.
Improving the. You use the, yeah. Don't forget, you use the. At the. Mariana, at the. Hello, Mariana. At the Mariana.
Yes, sir. Mr. Eddie, can you help me to add the article the after the word improving?
Hello, Eddie.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Eddie.
Okay. Good. Now, go to your research question.
Yes, sir.
Which is your research question?
Of course, it should be changed, sir. With
Yeah.
how
How do you?
How do the students improving vocabulary through digital English song? How do the students improving vocabulary through digital English song?
Not
That's
how
right,
do.
sir.
Not how do.
But how does, yes, sir?
How can.
Oh, how can? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
How can the digital English song
How
Improve.
can the digital English song
the digital English song
Improve.
improve
students' vocabulary? Yes, sir. That's right, sir.
the student vocabulary? The student plural, not singular. This is singular.
Was
Yes. Eh? Too many S.
S-nya S apostrophe.
Right. Okay. Next, your theory. Go to your theory. Now, what theory? According to your title, how many variables do you have?
I don't write in my theories how many variable I should use.
Now, according to your title,
So,
according to your title, read your title again.
yes, sir.
Ah,
Improving the students' vocabulary through digital English song. That's
how
the
many
title.
variable you have here?
Okay. 2, yes, sir.
2, only 2. Only
Only 2, yes, sir.
theory. It means that, yeah, if you have 2 variable, you just put 2 theory.
Okay, sir. 2 theory.
Yeah.
Sir,
The problem again, if only 2 theory, if it is only 2 theory, this is for S1 student. This is for S1 student. You are already S2 students.
2 students, yes, sir.
So you have to add one more variable, at least 3 variable. That's why you have to change again the title.
Change again, sir. So, what it should be, sir? The title, sir.
Now, which is variable Y? Mana variabel Y-nya? Variabel Y-nya mana?
Variabel Y ya. I have no idea, so can you explain to us what is the variable Y? Y variable?
You have to know this, which is variable Y and which is variable X.
X.
Mana variabel Y-nya, mana variabel X-nya. Itu dulu harus you tahu ini.
Yes, sir.
Mana variabel Y-nya?
Variabel Y-nya digital English song, ya, sir.
sorry.
Yang berubah nilainya mana?
Students vocabulary.
Iya, vocabulary. Itu yang berubah
Vocabulary.
nilainya. Nah, supaya dia tidak hanya 2 variabel, maka variabel Y-nya you tambah. Improving the student vocabulary and grammar.
And grammar.
Nah, baru untuk S2.
Oke, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nah,
And grammar.
jangan lagi kamu menghayal S1.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Ya. Tolong mindsetnya Anda sekarang sudah S2.
Diubah. Yes,
Sudah
sir.
makin tua.
Sir,
Ya.
in classroom action research,
Ya.
is there the other word besides improving, sir?
Increasing.
Increasing.
How about
Thank you, sir.
Hah?
Increasing. Yes, sir.
Pardon? Pardon me?
No, sir.
I was asking about if the title here is improving or increasing. Can someone make some research of introducing one new media or one new strategy maybe to teach
Yeah.
one maybe podcast?
Yeah, the strategy should be up to date. Apa yang terbaru sekarang ini, you harus tahu. Browsing lah jurnal internasional, apa media atau strategi yang up to date.
Baru.
Jangan hanya taruhkan aja tanpa baca jurnal. Akhirnya you tadi hanya meletakkan English song saja. Padahal ada digital English song. Atau alat yang baru hari ini yang lebih memudahkan, yang lebih mudah dan menarik. You harus tahu. Yang anak-anak hari ini pakai, you harus tahu. Ya. Oke.
Yes, sir.
Nah, ini baru judul S2 ini. Kalau yang tadi judulmu yang dulu itu ya. Judul yang lama ya.
Iya, sir. Yang di SLA, sir.
Nah, artinya enggak judul di S1 itu ya.
Enggak, sir. Saya S1-nya tentang reading comprehension, sir. Not vocabulary.
Oh, tapi 2 variabel ya.
Iya, sir.
Nah, sekarang minimal 3 variabel. Untuk S2.
Okay, sir.
Nah,
So, sir, the research question, it should be checked, that's right? Because
of course.
we have add one new variable.
Of course.
Okay. Digital English song.
Number two, question number 2. Question number 2. Ya. Okay.
Okay.
So, how many variable you have?
3 lah, sir. Jadinya sir. Jadi 3,
3.
sir. 3.
Variabel Y-nya berapa?
Variabel Y-nya ada 2, sir. Vocab and
2.
grammar.
Oke, variabelnya Y-nya 2. Berarti di teori itu yang pertama vocabulary. Teori vocabulary. Yang kedua vocabulary saja.
Oke, sir. Vocabulary.
Yang kedua grammar.
Yes, sir. Berarti teori keduanya harus saya ganti ya, sir. Ini kan tadi pertama vocabulary, baru yang kedua nanti grammar. Jadi yang the purpose of learning vocabulary kita dihapus saja, sir.
Hah?
Kan di sini saya teori kedua saya kan the purpose of learning vocabulary. So it should be deleted and changed by grammar, sir. That's right, sir.
Yeah, only 3. Vocabulary,
Only 3 ya.
grammar, and digital
English
English song. Yeah. Only 3.
Only 3, yes, sir.
Nah, teori vocabulary minimal 3 teori dari expert. Oke. Sekali lagi, once again. Teori vocabulary minimal 3 teori dari expert. Setiap teori dielaborasi. Oke. Setelah 3 teori dielaborasi, lalu you write conclusion. Dari 3 teori vocabulary itu, apa yang sama? Yang sama itulah diletakkan di conclusion. Oke. Begitu juga dengan grammar. Begitu juga dengan grammar. Ya. Kemudian
Yes,
kemudian
digital English song.
Digital English song. Digital English song itu yang paling penting you buat adalah yang pertama adalah definition.
Definition. Yes,
Yang kedua principle. Number 2 principle. Number 3 design. Design. Number 4 procedure. Number 5 strength, advantage and disadvantage.
Disadvantage.
Yeah, or strength and weakness. Okay, finish.
Finish.
And then the last one, methodology. Methodology. The methodology, okay.
Slide 10 Kak Edi.
Number one.
9.
Number one.
No, 9. Number 1.
Number one. Research setting. Number two. Data and data source. Number three, research method. Number four, research instrument. Yeah, instrumentation. Number five, technique of data analysis. Number six, technique of establishing the trustworthiness. Worthiness, worth, THI, yeah. Okay, number four, you change into technique. Number four, change, not instrumentation. Number four, change into technique of data collection. Technique of data collection. Okay. Finish.
Finish Mariana's research, sir.
Yeah,
Proposal,
finish.
I meant.
Finish, Mariana proposal is finished. Next.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Anyone who's ready, maybe to present the proposal? I invite you to present your proposal.
Can we consider for the time effectiveness, please?
Okay. Maybe we ask our lecturer, maybe, sir, because now it is already 10:19. Do we continue it or we stop it until here, sir?
Up to you.
Maybe, well, maybe because it is already quite late and some of us are mother of child. So I think it's better for us to continue it in the next
Yeah.
meeting, right, sir?
Your husband will get angry with you now.
Maybe, sir.
Okay.
It's
We
a very question, sir, but I'm sorry to say, but we need to also consider family time. It's Saturday evening.
yeah.
So I am, as the moderator, I want to say thank you and I appreciate all of my friends, also our respected lecturer for today's lesson. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we continue next week. Please prepare your slide and you have to show us only title, problem, research question, theory, and research methodology. Yeah.
All right, sir.
Thanks from me.
Okay. For next presentation, we just only need 15 minutes for one presenter.
Well,
15
sir.
minutes for one presenter because we are, if I'm not mistaken, 25 or 20. We are 25 or more than
Thank you,
25.
sir. We got more new students already. Even more. I think it's 28 now.
Oh, 28.
Or more. 28.
No, we have 32, sir.
Pardon?
So even more.
32.
32.
Yes.
Oh
Yes,
my
sir.
God. How can we add more and more?
Actually, we are not at more and more, but because some of them are quite busy, so sometimes they are not really joining our class regularly, sir.
Oh, why we do not talk about busy? All of us are busy, but we can arrange our time through online. Yeah, because
Yes, sir.
online we can also study when you are in the car, even when you are on the tree.
On the tree. It's the
No
matter of
more
trying.
tree right now, sir.
Yeah, it's not reason. Yeah, it's not reasonable. If you are busy, you don't follow this. It's not reasonable. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is not S1. This is S2. We don't want you to be not qualified. Yeah, you should have more qualified than S1. Okay. You
Yes,
have
sir.
read our karakter prior. Ya Allah, ikhlaskan hati kami untuk belajar karenamu. Jangan hanya untuk mengejar nilai, mendapat ijazah, mendapat kerja, dapat uang banyak, dapat anak dan cucu lalu mati. Kami sadar hidup yang demikian amatlah gersang dan membuat hidup kurang bermakna. Hidupnya kurang bermakna itu kalau dia nggak ikhlas belajar. Hidup akan bermakna kalau Anda ikhlas belajar, kalau Anda more qualified than before. Yeah. So you should be more qualified teachers in the school. Yeah. Don't think like when you are S1. The most important thing, you pass. You get the grades. Yeah, good grades. It's okay. And then you are satisfied. Don't think that way, because we are different. Yeah. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay. Please tell them who
Yes,
are still in the sky. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Please tell them who are still in the sky.
Excuse me, sir. Is it
Yes.
possible one more question? Because one of my friend here want a question.
What is it?
Okay, Miss Erlinawati, I
Yeah.
invite you to ask your question. Thank you.
Oke, sir.
Hmm.
Karena udah malam, saya pakai bahasa Indonesia aja ya, sir. Itu tadi kan title-nya Mem Mariana kan ada grammar-nya, sir. Supaya dia 3 variabel gitu. Nah, grammar ini kan luas ini bahasannya, sir.
Ya nanti terbatas, misalnya apa? Misalnya past tense saja.
Oh, berarti nanti dia dimunculkan di bagian scope-nya atau di limitation-nya ya, sir?
Ya, misalnya you ngajarkan tentang grammar itu apa saja? Artikel the, ya, n misalnya. Artikel the, n. Itu di dalamnya itu grammar maksudnya.
Berarti dia tidak perlu dimunculkan di judul ya, sir?
Karena begini, kemungkinan bukan artikel the aja yang you ajarkan. Kan bisa juga you ajarkan nanti grammarnya some misalnya, some any. Jadi isi tesnya nanti ada artikel the, ada some any. Jadi you lebih apa? Tidak terikat, tidak hanya itu, tapi lebih longgar Anda mengajarkan beberapa jenis grammar.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Ada lagi yang lain? Karena udah ditutup tadi.
Up-nya kapan, sir?
Gimana?
Yang kita di masjid itu, sir.
Oh itu.
Tunggu presentasi kami semua, sir.
Ya.
Proposalnya.
Kalau proposal sudah presentasi semua, saya kira tak perlu lagi. Kan kemarin kan karena ini belum jelas ini. Belum jelas nih judulnya. Ya kan?
Yes,
nah,
sir.
tapi kalau lewat ini sudah jelas, seperti tadi si Mariana tadi, judul Mariana tadi sudah jelas. Ngapain lagi kita jumpa-jumpa lagi?
Oh. Kan baru Mariana, sir. Baru satu.
Tapi saya mulai, sir.
Sekalian
kalau masalah
iya, tetap muka apa sekali.
Kalau masalah mau rindu ya boleh juga kalau rindu.
Silaturahim, sir.
Iya, sir.
Ya udahlah, sir, kami rindu, sir. Kami rindu kayak gitu. Kami rindu, sir.
Paling tidak nanti saya kasih brain gym Anda.
Apa itu, sir?
Pengen ketemu sama
ini untuk mengajar di sekolah. Jadi kalau
kita ketemu satu hari full,
ada kelas lain dari awal saya kasih brain gym, sebelum kuliah harus brain gym dulu baru doa karakter. Anda kan masih doa karakter, brain gymnya nggak bisa saya ajarkan ini karena nggak ada tatap muka.
Harus ada kalau gitu ya kan. Sir?
Karena brain gym ini lewat begini susah mencontohkannya. Jadi terpaksa mendekat-dekatkan wajah, susah lah. Ya kan? Nah, jadi kalau yuk mau kepingin betul
Nanti
tuh.
kita atur waktunya untuk tatap muka sekali ya. Sir.
Ya, boleh silakan.
Sekali apa 2 kali apa 3 kali lah ya.
Ya silakan lah. Yuk atur aja waktunya.
Yang 1 harian penuh itu kan jadi menuntaskan proposal ini.
Ya, menuntaskan proposal you, apalagi sudah 32 student yang kebanyakan tadi dalam tanda kutip in the sky, ya kan? Mereka tuh melayang-layang tadi mana sekarang? Macam mana memahamkan mereka itu? Kalau tidak tatap muka, macam mana memahamkan mereka? Apa blank saja ilmunya begitu? Ya, kasihan kita sama mereka.
Iya,
S2 tapi ilmunya blank kan, kasihan kan?
Yes, sir.
Seperti yang jauh bersedia tuh, Sir. Kalau
Coba atur. Yang 32 orang itu, yang 32 orang itu domisilinya di mana aja itu ya?
ada di Rantau
Gunung Tua, Rantau Prapat, Tebing Tinggi.
Oh, masih dekat ini. Kan nggak ada yang di Antartika kan?
Biasa.
Iya.
hilang ngantuk, Sir.
Iya. Coba lah kasih tahu sama mereka. Ya. Nah. Ya, tetapkan. Yang jelas biasanya di hari Minggu, ya.
Yes, sir.
Ya, silakanlah. You discuss together.
What about your schedule, sir? We afraid that which Sunday that you will be free. Probably like today you have an wedding invitation. So that we afraid that.
Okay, you after you discuss, then you confirm. You confirm me, yeah. Confirm me whether I can do that again. I can do that schedule or not.
All right, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you
Good
very much.
night. Good night.
Thank you so much, sir. Jazakallah.
Good night.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.